So here is Deen Body Premium. So here's Deen Body app, and I upgraded just for you to show how it works. The premium version, should you upgrade or not? To be honest, they have a 3-day free trial, so you can try it out during 3 days, and then you can cancel it. It's only $7 per week. So this is the only pricing models. They don't have monthly or yearly plans yet. I don't know, but this is very popular AI Quran daily verses and prayer app. It's your AI powered Quran companion. Get instant answers to Quranic questions, receive daily inspirational verses, and stay on track with accurate prayer time notifications. AI Quran chat, ask any Quran related question and get AI powered answers, understand meanings, tafsir, and historical context, easily personalized responses based on authentic sources. So receive daily inspirational Quranic verses, bookmark and share your favorite ayahs effortlessly, enhance your understanding of Quran, prayer time notifications, accurate prayer time alerts. So this right now is one of the most popular AI powered Quran apps. So it's quite popular. It's in top charts, as you can see. So there are Bible AI apps and there are Quran AI apps. So yeah, let's just open it up. So again, this app is available for free. No, it's available for free, only via free trial, which lasts 3 days. So basically, if you want to just try for 3 days, you need to try it for 2 days and cancel on the second day. Then you're not gonna be charged. If you try free trial for 3 days and cancel on the third day, you will be charged for the next week. Otherwise, it's $7 per week, and then you just have it like in the top. You have like prayer times. Which you can see in here. Then you can see like chat, which goes like that. So it's kind of like Chat GPT, but it's a like kind of Quran chat. And then you can just go and see it in here. And then you can also see all the references in here and so on. So that's it. Then yeah, you have settings. You can edit your information. You can see your chat history. Also, you can delete your account. And then also you can just read Quran from here. You can select different chapters and everything. And then there are different chapters, and then that's basically it. So like you're getting this, and this is the app, and you just have all the different categories of chats where you can just chat with it. So yeah, some people might ask why you need to pay for it when you can do it with ChatGPT. But yes, this is probably some like ChatGPT wrapper, which is basically just fine-tuned model specifically designed for Quran things. And then also, I guess you can install like a home screen for this app. So like, for example, if you search for, maybe it's not appearing yet, but maybe if you restart your phone, you will be able to add the widget. And then basically you can also go and add a wallpaper. So let's see if so here you have basically it's not appearing. So yeah, to be honest, the app is a bit glitchy. But yes, hopefully it will be developed soon. And yeah, so that's the idea of the app. That's again, this is premium version of the app. This is upgraded version. It's not available on Android, unfortunately, on Google Play Store. Nope. So it's only on iOS right now. It says here that there is like a daily verse to your lock screen, but for me it doesn't work. So maybe you need to restart the app or start your phone. Eventually it might work. And that's basically the idea.